Pay attention to the sodium metal in the test tube. It is jumping up and down. Why does this happen? To demonstrate the physical and chemical properties of sodium metal, we will conduct an experiment called jumping sodium. In this experiment, we need sodium metal, the organic solvent hexane, the indicator phenolphthalein, and distilled water. The sodium metal we use in this experiment belongs to alkali metals and is a group 1 element. Unlike common metals, it is very soft and can be easily cut with a knife. Sodium readily reacts with water to produce hydrogen gas. To begin this experiment, water is first added to the test tube. Then, the phenolphthalein indicator is added to the test tube and gently shaken. Next, hexane is slowly added to the test tube. You can observe that organic solvent and water do not mix together, and they form two distinct layers. The organic solvent is the upper layer, while the water is the lower layer. Now the preparation is completed. Before introducing the sodium metal, let's review the chemical equation for this reaction. In this experiment, sodium will react with water to produce sodium hydroxide, which is a basic solution and hydrogen gas. Let's place the sodium metal into the water. You can notice that due to the higher density of sodium metal, it sinks through the hexane. Once it contacts with the water below, a chemical reaction occurs. Hydrogen gas is generated. As the hydrogen gas bubbles on the surface of the sodium metal are less dense, they lift the sodium metal upwards. However, once the sodium metal reaches the upper layer, the reaction stops. The generated hydrogen gas escapes. The sodium metal sinks again, and the process repeats. The reaction also produces a solution of sodium hydroxide, which makes the lower layer alkaline, causing it change from colorless to pink under the effect of phenolphthalein. Referring to the chemical equation, the sodium metal is converted into sodium ions dissolving in water, causing the sodium metal to gradually become smaller and eventually disappear. After this experiment, you should be able to answer the following questions.